Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Cakes and More. A very happy new year to all of you. I wish and pray happiness, prosperity and good health for you. So today we are going to make pinnies. This is a Punjabi delicacy. So let's start with the ingredients. What all we need is very simple, and everybody gets it in their own houses. We just need whole wheat atta, whole wheat flour, and ghee, which is clarified butter, and lots of nuts. So let's start making it. So let's start. I have half a cup of clarified butter, which is around 120 grams in weight. So out of this I will take a small amount to saute my nuts in it. Nuts can be of your own choice. I am taking almonds. In authentic Punjabi pinni, we use almonds, raisins and seeds. So I am going to saute my almonds on a low flame, and then I will saute my seeds and pistachio a little. I have taken half a spoon of ghee for this clarified butter. Once these almonds are slightly brown, I'll pour my seeds and pistachio in it. So now they are slightly fried. Now I'm pouring my seeds. We call them magaj also, pumpkin seeds, and then I'll put my pistachio. Because my children love to eat pistachio, so I do pistachio also. Otherwise, in authentic pinni, it is almonds and seeds and raisins. So they are almost done. The seeds are spluttering. Now I will switch off the gas. I have switched it off, and then I'll take them in another bowl. Raisins I'm not going to saute in this. So as we have already taken 1 spoon of clarified butter, rest of the butter I will be using now. I'll melt it and pour my 2.5 cups of atta, whole wheat flour, which is around 350 grams in weight, into my butter. The moment it melts into my clarified butter, I'll pour it. So it will take around 20 to 25 minutes on low flame, medium low flame, to roast this atta. Now you can see my flour is roasted, nicely roasted. The color has changed, and I can smell the fragrance of roasted atta. At this stage, I will put my sugar into it. This is something around 50 to 80 grams of crushed sugar. I'll switch off the gas also now. Sugar you can increase or decrease as per your own choice and taste. So I am mixing my sugar. Simultaneously I'll put all my nuts into it. And now I'll switch off the gas and let it combine together without the flame. These nuts, sugar and atta has to combine together, and then we will shape them into pinnies. During winter season, in every Punjabi house, you will see these pinnies, and it is such a good feeling when you make it on your own for your dear ones. You get all these things in the market also, but when you make it on your own and serve it, it gives you a very nice feeling. One more thing, At this stage, if you don't want to make pinnies or you don't want to shape them into pinnies, you can eat it as it is also. The only thing left in this recipe right now is just shaping them into pinnies. So now we will see how to shape them into pinnies. All the ingredients are mixed nicely together. Now I will keep it for another 10 to 12 minutes so that it cools down a little and I can use my hands to shape the pinnies. So another 5-10 minutes I'll keep them like this only and then shape the pinnies. At this stage you can even use a little amount of milk. I use a little amount of cream for this to bind together. My mother used to take small amount of milk so that it becomes a little soggy and it is easy, very easy to bind now. So I'll show you how to bind it. This recipe is basically from my mother's kitchen. My mother and my grandmother used to make these pinnies, and this is also one trick, that you put a little amount of milk or a little amount of cream, which we call malai, and at one section, not the whole one because it is still very hot. See, I am making these pinnies for you, and it's really very hot yet, so it depends on you how to handle this. You can wait another 5 minutes, but I love to do this right now only because it is very hot and you can bind it easily. Whenever you want, you can add a little cream or milk to this. So if you like my video, share my recipes with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy your upcoming season of Lodi, New Year and everything. Enjoy your life, enjoy your winters with these Punjabi pinnies. Thank you.